Hi everyone. Hello, hello.
Hi.
Let's see. Okay. We can start off with our homework. Homework number 1. Does anyone have a sort of solution that they want to share? Go ahead, William.
There. We can use the table we learned. Like there's 7 times 7 square. Oh yeah, I got 140 because like it's all the squares from 1 to 49 added together.
Yep. Olivia, you weren't here last time, right?
Yeah.
Do you have did you do the homework?
I haven't looked at it yet.
Okay. Well, let me send it to you. Homework 5.1. Okay. There, so you can look at it. Okay. Number 2. Want to talk about it? William, is your hand still up?
Yeah, if no one else wants to answer.
Go ahead.
Oh, okay. So I got 9 squares.
Let's see.
4 by 4 squares. In here.
Yep, 9 squared is correct. It's just you do 3 squared. Okay. Number 3. William.
So there are 8 one time by 1 squares. There's only 1 2 by 2 square, and there are 4 3 by 3 squares, and there's only 1 4 by 4 square, which is the entire figure. So we have a total of 14 total squares. Of 14
Actually, no. There is 4 more. I think you missed a few 2 by 2s.
Why?
Here, let me show you.
Oh, I see.
Do you see them?
Wait a second. Are you sure it's 2? Are you sure it's 4 more? I'm not sure.
I can show you guys.
Yeah.
So we have this. Okay. So a 2 by 2, you can see here. I think that's the one you were missing.
Actually, I see those 2, but you think there were 4 more, right? 2 more, right?
Okay, wait. Can you give me your numbers for your squares per side again?
Okay, so there is 1 2 by 2 square, which is the middle one. But actually now I got 3 because of the side ones.
3? Oh, there's 4 of those side ones.
这个呢？
Wait, what?
这样也是4个。
Oh, I
Yeah.
see. Oh.
Yeah, there are 4 of those. Okay. Cool. Number 5.
Wait, are you sure it's number 5?
Oh, I think I messed up the order. Oops. Okay, well, for me it says number 5.
Wow. I printed it out and I noticed it, but somehow I just didn't make the connection.
Oops. Okay.
Let's go to question 4.
Yeah. Number 5
I
/ 4.
I can do number 4.
Okay, William, I'm gonna let Shad take this one, okay?
Can you share your screen?
Oh, do you want to do whiteboard?
Yeah, sure.
Are you able to draw?
No, I'm
Okay, wait.
not.
Wait, let me enable it.
Wait, no.
Can you do it now?
Are you a host?
Can
Oh,
you do
no.
it now?
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, I can. I'm use pink. Okay, so we have this thing, right? This box. Let's check the number of one by ones there are. What? Who did that? Who did that? Who did that?
Did
Okay.
what?
They cover like the top side and bottom side with black.
Oh, I think that was because I moved it
Why? Okay.
because I couldn't see the problem. Okay, anyways, go ahead.
Okay. So the number of one by ones here is equal to, you just count because you have eyes. It's just one.
Oh, there's
erased
another
Who erased it?
erase what?
My writing.
Your writing's not erased.
It's there. It's erased on my end. It's not there.
Are you sure?
Yes. Oh, wait, now I can see. Okay, it's just 1 times 3, and
No,
one.
no. There's more on top.
No, I mean like literally number 4.
Oh, okay. Okay. Sure, whatever. Yeah, you can do number 4.
1 times 3 is just 3, and the number of 1 by 2s, 2 by 1s is equal to 2, and the number of 3 by 1s is 1. 3 by 1s is 1. And pattern, it's just always 3 down to 1. It's always just down to 1 for the rest of the problems.
So do you want to talk about the one after this? No, for B.
Okay. Okay, so let's draw it again. And my terrible drawing skills. Okay, so this is it basically. And then the number 1 by 1s. So the number of 1 by 1s is 5. The number of 1 by 2s is 4. Number of 1 by 3s is 3. And the number of 1 by 4s is 2. And then the number of 1 by 5 is just 1. And then see that pattern there? And then just 5. What are you doing? 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 15.
Yeah, and then and then is there one more? No, for the last one after this, you do the same thing but from 6. So that would mean just 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. That would be 16. 21. Okay. Back to number 5, I guess. William, you want to talk
There's
about this?
4C.
Yeah. I just talked about it. I think you were talking to Mama. So you can-
Okay. Well, first I have a question for 4. So it doesn't matter if for the order of the length and width, like I wrote it like as 1 times 1 by 1, 2 by 1, and 3 by 1. Like I'm not sure if it should be written as 1 by 1 and 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 as Xiao had showed.
It really depends on what you want to do.
Oh.
I prefer doing the smallest one first though, because then you can go in order kind of like 1 by 1, 1 by 2, and then 2 by 2, 2 by 3.
Oh,
Right?
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so to the question 5 you wrote down, like there are 8 squares and 10 rectangles, which means there are a total of 18 rectangles. You know, like a square is also a rectangle.
Yeah. Okay, good. On to what we're talking about today then. We are going to be talking about, for the first half of this class, triangles. So basically doing the exact same thing, but with triangles. And then we're going to be talking a bit about intersections in a circle after. Okay. So again, how many triangles are in this picture? Use the same approach that you were looking at yesterday, but instead of going like 1 by 1 or 2 by 1, you can keep track of it by
Groups
like
of triangle.
huh?
Like you can.
Hi Gavin, but you can talk about. Gavin, I don't think we can hear you if you're talking.
I'm not talking.
Oh, okay. But you can think about it by grouping them, like what Shao said. You can like draw them out if you want to count. Yes, William?
So, is it okay if I answer it?
Right now?
Yeah, is it the right time?
I'm going to give
Say
everyone else
yes,
a
say
minute to
yes, say yes, say yes, say yes, say.
No, I'm gonna give
Shao.
everyone else. I'm gonna give everyone else a minute to try and
I'm
solve
gonna
it.
run down the stairs.
And then you can talk about it. Okay, William?
Why is this somehow an optical illusion?
Okay, a minute has passed. Yeah, William, do you want to talk about it?
Okay, so okay, I'm just gonna go step by step. So the smallest triangles, like there are 6 of them, like you know, like those individual triangles. There's one big triangle at the like, which is the whole figure. That is that is a total of 7 triangles.
Is there any more?
What?
Is there any more?
Yeah, there is. You can see that the triangle is split in half. So that makes the triangle, that makes 2 more triangles. So we just add 2, which is 9. And then it also splits into 3 triangles. That's like 3 more triangles, which is 12 in total.
Okay. So you definitely got the what's it called? The different types of triangles, but for this one, you're actually missing some. Do you want to try and look for the ones, or does someone else want to talk about what William's missing?
Oh, I think I have one. So if you kind of have an ability to go look sideways down, like you can probably see that the triangle is diagonally split into two sides, like two halves.
Yeah.
Like, if you tilt the triangle over so that one of the long sides is to the ground, you'll see that it has split into two, pieces. And same, if you tilt it on the opposite long side, you'll also see that it will be split into two parts. So that will actually make you add four more. So it's 16 triangles in total.
Yep. And a good one to try and, I guess, check if you're correct is the different triangles you have. Like, for example, we know that this one at the bottom down here, it's two triangles. You can look at this picture you have here and try and see what shape you have when you connect two triangles. So for example, if you have this top one, which is connecting two triangles, you know that's not a triangle, so you don't count that one. Wait. Okay. Next question. Now that you know how to like kind of do it, we're gonna go through some examples and look for some patterns. So this first one, does anyone want to tell me how many triangles are in here? Yes, Xiao.
Bruh, it's one.
Yes, there is one
Mind-blowing.
lovely triangle here.
But if it were an equilateral, it could technically be infinity.
Can you just do the same
Mind-blowing.
thing here? Right?
No, because the equilateral triangle can be split into four smaller triangles, which can turn into four more smaller triangles, which will endlessly go on.
That's the same for this one, right?
Yes, but okay. Yes, also
Yes,
same for
this
this
one
one.
could also do it because you could just keep splitting it in half.
But also when we're looking at this thing, we don't have any more lines, which means that we can't split it more, which means there is not infinite triangles. But you're right that we can split this in half. Does someone want to tell me how many triangles this has?
30.
Gavin, is that a 3? Gavin, is that 3?
Yeah, 3.
Okay. So yeah, there's 2 smaller triangles, and then this bigger triangle, there's one of them. Okay. Next, what about this triangle? Sorry, William, I didn't see your hand, but William, you can go for this one.
Oh, and actually, I'm always putting my hand for answering questions. Okay, so there are 3 small triangles marked by like the most obvious ones marked by the lines. There's one big triangle, and that big triangle is split into 2 parts. Like they overlap the 2 smaller triangles.
Yeah. So again, to look at this, you start small and then you get bigger. So what you look at first is a smaller triangle, and you know there's 3 of them. And then you look at the one with 2 triangles. So what we had before with this triangle split in half. So you look for triangles that are 2 triangles combined. And then you look at 3 triangles. So then with this, we have 1, 3, 6. Okay. There's starting to be a pattern here. I don't know if any of you guys can see it, but let's continue and see if that can help with that. Okay. 10 seconds to do this. And then someone can share their answer.
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Got it.
Good job. Good job. Gavin, do you want to tell us how you did it?
So, as in the previous, I noticed a pattern that because every when you start there is one, and then as you progress, there will be more smaller triangles, but that does not affect the amount of triangles before. So what you just do is so what you do is you just use the previous amount plus the amount of smaller triangles. So this one would be 10.
Yes.
So this one
Yes.
would be 10.
You have hacked the system. But to kind of talk about it, actually, okay, you know what, yeah, I'll talk about it. So,
I have a question about this.
oh yeah, go ahead.
For some reason I got 9.
Oh, can you explain?
I
how you got
realized the pattern, but I for some
Not
reason
aware
I
in the
got 9.
process.
So what I did is there are like there are 4 small triangles. If you there are 2 of the wait. It can be split into for like I just think like first it's the big triangle, and then it can be split into half, as you can see by the middle line, and then it can also be split into half by the 2 kind of two overlapping triangles. Like they're not right triangles, but they're just part of the triangle, the large triangle. As you can see, like they're in besides splitting the triangle in half, it can also be split into 2 parts, which are not right triangles. And there are 4 individual triangles. So I got 1 plus 4 plus 4 equals, wait, what? Oh, I see. That's 1 more. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. William, I think
Realization.
one way
I
that
feel
can
like sometimes the explanations he tried to make are
Stop video.
say a bit complicated, and then he gets lost and then he figures it out.
yeah, sometimes, but this time it's because William just missed this one in the middle.
Yeah.
But William, one way that can help you guys, and also all of you guys that can help you not miss these types, is again to start small. So start from the single one, and single triangle. Look at how many single triangles there are. We know in this case it's 4, and then increase that triangle amount by 1. So then you look for triangles that are a combination of 2 triangles. So when you look at here, you're looking for only triangles that are a combination of 2 triangles. So for example, this one in the middle is 1. There's also one next to this one here, and then there's one on the other side. And then you check that, and there's no more. And then you look at the number of triangles with 3 triangles in it. And then, like William said, there's one here. It's getting a bit messy, but you check that, and then you finally increase the triangle by 1 more, and then you know that there's no more after that because the triangle you had in the end is just the entire figure. Okay.
Tip, you just hack into the program and implant malware Trojan.
No. We are not hacking into the program today. We are using.
And to make Gavin's explanation of the formula more clearer, I think it's just 1 and then plus 2 and then plus 3 and then plus 4.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yes, but you can also think of it the other way around, because remember, we're starting small. So the first number we have is the biggest one. So it's actually 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. But it's basically the same thing.
It's commutative property, I believe.
Another question. Hopefully you guys understand this quick enough to know how to quickly solve this, but else I'm still going to give you guys 30 seconds this time to try and solve it.
Done.
Okay, Gavin, you can share when we're
Okay, once
30 seconds is up.
done.
It should be 15.
William! No.
I love it. I love
Okay.
it.
Well, William just spoiled the answer.
But you know, I didn't have time to finish it up, but you know, I just.
Oh wait.
When was asking questions opening a can of worms?
Okay. Oh, new hands. Okay, Andrew, do you want to talk about this?
There are 5 triangles, and 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 6 times 5 over 2 is 30 over 2 is 15.
Hey, wait. Can you explain it again?
Can I annotate?
I guess.
Can you annotate? I'm
Yeah,
not sure if
there's
are.
this
You
Okay.
can annotate.
There's
if you
this
want.
line, there's this line, there's this line, there's this line, and there's this line. That makes 6 lines, and then 6 times bracket 6 minus 1 bracket over 2 is basically 6 times 5 over 2, which is 15. And that's how many triangles are in there.
Can you explain how you?
I am so impressed on this formula.
No, you just do the lines, and then you just minus like that line's minus 1, and then you just divide by 2, and you get 15, which is how many triangles are in there.
Wait. Can you explain this? Okay. So there's 6 lines, and what else do you do?
6 minus 1 is 5.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you do 6 times 5, which is 30. And then you
Okay.
do 30 divided by 2, because you're like counting everything twice, and you get 15.
I guess that works.
Wait, I
No,
think
if you keep on
Andrew's
counting, then
using the handshake trick. I think Andrew's using the handshake trick.
Oh, the handshake.
Oh yeah.
It has been a long
No, if
time.
you see the pattern, it'll be like 1 and then 2 plus 1 and then 3 plus 2 plus 1, then 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, and you do 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1.
Oh, hold on. You're using
Yeah, the
Are
handshake.
you using like arithmetic formula? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, basically 6.
Oh, okay. Okay. Andrew's using the quicker method of finding the sum of consecutive numbers. Okay. Another way you could think about it actually is,
What I did.
yeah, that way. But wait, why am I in annotation? Okay. So Andrew just told us a way to quickly solve 5 plus 4 all the way until 1. If you guys remember that, first plus last divided by 2 times term. So that's 15. Okay, cool. The other way is to do what we did for the one on the left, and then just add, basically, have the first one be 5, and then it goes all the way until 1. Okay.
It's
This
not
next example
complicated.
should be pretty fast by now. Does someone want to talk about the answer? I'm not.
Gavin's hand just went like straight up.
Okay, Gavin, you can talk about this one.
21.
Yep. We're probably all familiar with this one now, hopefully. But just to reiterate,
I don't get it.
Why is it?
I have 6 divided by 2, 21.
wait, William, what do you not get?
How I got the answer?
Oh yeah.
Okay, here.
But there's a lot of
There is a pattern.
triangles. I just can't do that very well.
Okay,
Remember the pattern?
Look at
Oh,
this.
wait.
what? A triangle with no lines. There is one triangle. A triangle with one line. There's 3 triangles. A triangle with 2 lines. There are 6 triangles. Do you see a pattern?
Here, William, if you were to go back to what we had before, the first one is 1. Second one it's 2 plus 1. The third one is 3 plus 2 plus 1.
Yeah.
This
I
one
think I
here is
found a
4
pattern.
plus 3 plus.
I think I found a pattern. Can you go back?
I
Yeah,
think
it's
we all
1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Is it sort of like the past? I forgot. Was it? Like it was like a pattern.
Yeah, and then you could just do the Enrico firm, and then you can.
No,
just
no,
do-
no, no, no,
Ah, no.
Gavin. No Enrico for me. Okay.
Okay,
But-
more
I
Enrico
had
Fermi for me.
Guys. Okay.
Fine.
So
You know what I'm
yes,
talking
Andrew,
about, William.
that's the pattern I was talking about. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you just add all of these. Does that make more sense?
Oh, I see.
Yes. Oh,
Finally
okay.
saw what it is.
Yes. Okay, great. Okay, that was all about triangles. We're now going to move on to cutting pies and trying to cut pies with the greatest number of pieces. So can you cut a pie into 7 pieces with just 3 straight cuts? I'm gonna give you guys a pie here. This is the pie. And you can cut it however.
It's not a very straight pie.
Yeah, it's a very bad pie. It's a
Looks
squished
more
pie,
like
but
a
don't worry.
potato.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, cut the potato.
I'm gonna give you guys 30 seconds. Well, no, I'm gonna give you guys a minute to try and find a way to cut this pie into 7 pieces, and if it's even possible.
Guys, let's sabotage it and just all write on it to try to make it. Oh, I need
Possible.
pencil
It's
to draw it. Wait,
impossible.
Is it
no,
impossible?
it's definitely possible. I know what this is.
Can I show?
Oh yes,
how to
wait
do it.
until the minute is up though.
Okay. But we would need a better
Wait,
pie.
I
hold
got
on.
it.
After can I draw the pie?
Please, I got it.
Andrew asked first, so I'll let Andrew talk about it.
Should I do it now?
Give it a few more seconds.
Okay. I'll annotate after.
Okay.
Now? Okay.
Yeah. Go ahead.
I am going to draw a pie. Okay. Wait,
Okay,
3
that's
cuts,
a
right?
better pie.
I know. Yes, you can draw
It's
better.
more
pie.
appetizing.
Potato, the better
It's
pie.
more potato. No, it's more appetizing.
Guys, I just got the answer too.
Wait, my cut isn't that good. Sort of like this. Delete this one. Wait,
You can only use 3 straight cuts.
I did 3 straight cuts. 3 straight cuts.
Okay.
This is wait. Let me show you. Wait, sorry. How do
Oh,
you
I get it.
draw this? Wait, oh, can you erase this line?
You can erase it yourself.
There. It's like this.
Yeah, I get it.
Yes. Okay.
I got the same.
I'm gonna clear it so I can explain it more to you guys. So you have a pie, and normally if you would cut it, you would maybe cut it like this. And it seems like there's only 6 pieces here. And the reason why this doesn't work is because you're actually cutting the pie into 6 equal pieces. This question, it doesn't specify that you need equal pieces. So you don't need to have, you don't need to cut it this way.
Actually,
So maybe we can cut it like this. Right? More cuts. Okay, yeah, this is even
Four.
worse. That's not good. So we
Good.
find out that the more things intersect, the more cuts you make. So for example, if we have these 2 cuts like this, then we have another cut like this. This gives one more piece than what we had with this bad one here. So then we know that to have the largest amount of cuts, we want to intersect all the lines with each other, or as much as you can. So with one line, you can only intersect it one way, but for the 3rd line, we want to intersect as many other lines as we can. So we just do something like this, and this gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
The person with
Okay.
the 6 pieces.
Hey, I have a
put that
question.
down.
I have a question.
Yeah.
So you have annotation, right? For pie, you can just do this, and it'll look like a pie.
Yeah, I don't have
You wanna-
that though, because
Oh.
I'm not using the annotate function on
Wait,
so-
wait, are you host? Wait, oh, you're not host.
no, I'm using the annotation function on PowerPoint.
No, like you can just.
oh,
Okay.
yeah.
So you just annotate in the PowerPoint.
Yeah, so that it can save
Oh.
after class.
Yeah, I
and
think.
then-
Do you have? Wait, with Zoom, you can click view options and annotate, and then you can still annotate.
I need to be in share screen mode, so I can't necessarily do that, but it's all right. William, do you have a question?
Actually, no. I
Okay.
thought I had a different answer, but actually, I just like did like smaller intervals, like at different angles.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's good. Anyone else have any questions? Okay. What is the greatest number of pieces of pie you can get with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 straight cuts? We already did 3, so we already know the answer to that.
One, that's really simple, which is the answer. Two, that's simple.
Yes, but I'm still going to give you guys a minute to solve this on your own. And a good way to approach this is to make a table and see if you find any patterns.
So we're gonna have to do 1, 2, 4, 5.
Yeah,
Oh,
but you should still include 3 so that you can look at the pattern, if there is one. Okay, so it's totally fine if you didn't finish, but some of the more earlier ones are more simple, so maybe you guys can share with those. So I'm gonna make a table actually. Okay.
Can I go?
Sure, you can take
I
one.
haven't gone for a long time.
Oh,
Okay, yeah. William, do you want to do all of it or just?
I can do 1, 2, and 3. I can do 1, 2, and 4.
Wait, I can do 4.
Well, I can also do 4.
Okay, you guys can alternate, okay? Andrew, William, wait, do any of you guys know how to do 5?
I
I kind of know the pattern.
Okay then.
Okay,
William, do you want to do 5 then?
okay. So wait a second. I haven't solved 5, but I know the pattern, so I can estimate. I can guess it. So,
Okay.
but I know 4. 4.
Wait, I also know
So-
4.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Before you guys do 4, because William knows the pattern. William, is it okay if you do 5 and Andrew does 4?
Okay.
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 Um,
I'm just gonna predict
mhm.
according to my formula that 15 like there can be 16 cuts made from 16 pieces made from 5 cuts.
Okay. Andrew, before you do 4, I'm going to talk about this first few. With 1 cut, you have 2,
Only option.
and with 2 cuts, you have 4. And this is because you can't really do it any other way unless you want more pieces. And we already know 7. Okay, Andrew, do you want to talk about 4?
I got, let's see. I got 10. Is there any more bigger than 10?
Yes.
I got 11.
Oh.
Okay. William, did you actually draw it out?
Yeah.
Okay, then do you want to draw it out on the screen here?
The problem is I don't know how to annotate.
Oh,
go to
okay
the
then.
go to the view options on the right next to you are viewing the DMOS screen, and then click it, and then there's a option that says annotate.
Oh, okay. So, okay, I'm just gonna try already.
And also use the line
can see
option.
mine, right?
Use the line option. It's more neat.
Wait, what?
Like click put your mouse on draw, and there'll be a line option.
Line option? Oh, I see. So I'm just gonna undo that and
You can use the one that is already drawn.
what?
You can use the one that's already drawn.
Okay. I'm just gonna wait, what? I can't redo it. Okay, anyway. I'm just gonna okay, so I'm just gonna draw this even though it's not very neat.
It's okay.
So here's our I think that's not really cool. Oh, come on. Okay, so that's fine. That's 3 lines. And
I got 11.
I got this. Wait a second. Is that what-
That's
Oh,
Can I show
um,
mine? Can I show mine?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
got 11.
I got that.
Okay. Hold on.
Can I? Oh, sorry.
The key here is to make sure that your next line intersects all your other previous lines. Because as we saw before, the more intersections you have, the more pieces you get. So for instance, we have our first line here. Our second line, we wanted to intersect that first line. Our third line, we want to intersect all of those two previous lines. And then for our last one, we wanted to intersect all 3 of those lines. We can, oh wait, this is kind of hard to draw, but sorry, this is the other line, but you can do something. Okay, yeah, this is, hold on. I'm just going to, here. I'm going to mirror the first 2 lines that William did up here because it's easy to draw a third line from that one. But you have these, and then you want the last one to cross all the other lines. So from this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
I think I have more cuts for 5. I think
You
I
have more than 16 cuts? pieces?
Wait, let me check my drawing again. 1, 2, 3.
The reason why I'm surprised that you have more than 16 cuts is because.
Oh, never mind. I did 6 cuts. Oh, 6 cuts.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
That's how
So
I
there's actually a pattern here that I think William caught on. That with each new cut, you add a certain amount. So for example, here you add 3, you add 4. And if you remember from patterns, if you look at these numbers, 2, 3, 4, they're actually increments. So it goes 2, 3, 4. So you'd expect the next one to go plus 5. And if we were to draw this out, it would mean intersecting basically all of those previous lines. Okay. Does anyone have any questions about this? Andrew, is your hand up for a question?
No.
Okay. That is all the material I have for today.
That's
Okay.
it.
Yeah, we have 10 minutes left for
49.
class. Yeah. Do you guys want to do? Here, we can do.
Had a game?
You're gonna say College Bowl.
Kahoot.
Yeah. Oh, you guys are. Do you guys want to do
No,
Kahoot?
Oh, maybe Quizlet.
Scribble.
Scribble.
Scribble.io.
You guys want to do Scribble?
I don't know. No, Scribble. Nate, what's the? Can you give me the link in the chat?
Give me a
Scribble.
second, Gavin. Are you able to do
Scribble
Scribble?
is a Scribble.io is a game where one person draws
see.
something. It draws
Mhm.
something
No,
and the other people
Wait,
try to guess
Can I
it.
share my screen? I'll show you how my screen looks like.
Okay, give me a second. Can everyone play
It says
Scribble?
Scribble.
Because
It
I
says
remember
add
last.
block
I
detected.
can't.
No,
I
I can't
can't.
because it says add block detected. See,
Okay, yeah. That's
Scribble.io.
Wait, let me.
Scribble. Wait,
Ew.
did you spell it correctly?
Yeah,
It's
SCRIBBLE.io.
SKRI.
Honey, can you SKRIBBLE.io?
SKRIBBL.io. Check if you
Ad
can.
block detected. Please disable your ad block and reload the page.
Oh, okay.
Wait,
yeah,
do
I'm
you
very
actually?
interested
Wait,
in
do
ad
you?
block.
Yeah, and I have Microsoft Family Safety that blocks me from.
Yeah,
some
privacy.
unsafe
Yeah, that's what I had
Okay.
to. Privacy. I won't let me.
Interesting. Okay.
I
In
don't
that case,
have that
we can do
anymore.
College Bowl. Haha.
We can do Kahoot.
Alright, guys, you have to watch me
Yeah,
solve the
Kahoot.
cube. You
you
must
guys
solve
wanna
the
do
cube.
Kahoot?
Do you want time?
Wait, competition for solving Rubik's Cube? You mean?
No,
How did you-
no. Give me 20.
Do me one color, 2 color. Like how many colors?
Give me 23
Stop
hours.
it, Andrew. Watch me. Watch me.
How many colors?
Andrew, watch me. Watch me, okay?
Hold the cube on the screen.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess we're watching Sam solve the cube for the next 9 minutes.
Okay, shall speak a little so.
No, can I play Kahoot? Or
After Sam finishes solving.
Yeah.
Done. Haha. Andrew, I beat you.
Okay. So I actually know how to do it as well, but I'm much slower than Xiao. So do you
Give me 23 hours. I won't be able to solve 3 sides.
You don't solve
Okay.
it side by side, by the way. You
So
still solve it layer by layer.
My performance?
So sure.
Okay, I'm just gonna grab my cube.
In the meantime, watch me solve another time.
Okay, no. Stop.
Okay.
Can I get a? Do you want stopwatch?
Yeah, sure. You can. Turn it.
Okay, let me get stopwatch.
I do open
Time.
stopwatch.
No. Stopwatch.
Okay, start. I already opened.
No, I'm not done. I'm not ready. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 7 seconds, 8 seconds, 9
Guys,
seconds, 10 seconds,
Here.
11 seconds, 12 seconds, 13 seconds, 14 seconds, 15 seconds.
wait. Guys, what are you doing?
What timing?
Timing how fast he can do a stop.
Already finished.
And it's no, I got 24 seconds.
How did you get?
I got 25.936.
No, I got 24.
Okay, just tell
I
me.
usually
I
use
feel like
1
about
minute and a
24.
half.
Wait. Let me put both screens so I can see both.
Okay, guys, you can start now. I'm gonna play.
Okay. No.
Wait, I didn't do my timer yet.
Okay.
Let me redo. 3, 2, 1,
One.
go.
Go.
Wait a second.
20-second mark.
Oh, come on.
24, 25, 26.
Don't pressure
27.
him.
Okay.
Don't talk don't say that's too much pressure.
For some reason, it's going lower than expected.
All right, William's doing the last layer right now. Boom. The yellow side finished.
I feel like you're intimidating him.
How's that intimidating?
I don't know.
All right, he's okay. All he has to do is just do the edges.
Okay.
Yay, he's done. Wait, no, not yet. Just needs to do one more time.
Almost done. Almost 2 minutes.
All right, William's done. Yay. Let's
Okay.
go.
1 minute 51 seconds. Point 46. So
Oh, okay.
you got basically like 1 minute 51 seconds. Not bad.
1 minute
Good.
50.494.
I got 1 minute. No. I started when you said go. Like I'm not sure if you said. Yeah, I got 1 minute.
Not that big of a difference. It's under 2 minutes.
ended a little because I thought he was done, but he wasn't. Anyways, better than me.
Oh. How long can you do it?
I don't know. I've never
don't-
solved
I
all
don't do the Rubik's cube.
I've never solved all 6 sides.
Wait, do you guys? No, I did once. Do you guys take classes?
Take what?
I wear
No.
Like Rubik's cube class?
No. Who would even do that?
What do we do
What's
now?
that?
It's 3:56. 4 minutes left. We're killing time.
What are we gonna do?
Yeah.
whatever you
This
guys
is-
want.
this is-
I got an idea. I got an idea.
Pointless.
Wait, I'm gonna share whiteboard.
Wait.
Hangman.
Oh,
Wait,
do you
my
guys
sister just chatted to me. My head looks so big. It's because I moved it down a little bit, so my head looks bigger. So they can look
Hey,
at
my head looks so big.
Stop
Hey guys,
Wait, let me do something.
Hey, my head looks so big.
Yeah, like the closer
I
you
can
get.
make it smaller.
okay, guys, are you going to?
Oh, I remember.
Okay, funny.
D-Wow. Shao has caught his our
I will get you back someday.
The moment.
Actually, here, let me see how to picture the sound of my camera roll.
Shao has
I'm
just
gonna go.
caught his sister on her most embarrassing moment.
That's not my most embarrassing.
Go.
You know how you blink when your photo is so like sometimes in your photo you look like
I have a
It
good.
kind of looks like this.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
when you roll your eyes to the point that there is no pupil. I can
What?
do
I
that.
have a good picture that I'm
I
going to
can
show
do
you
that
guys.
sort
Wait,
of.
Shao, you're on the moon.
I am on the moon, by the way.
I can see Jupiter and Saturn.
Oh!
That was me when I was like 4, okay? Don't judge. That was when she was in this class.
I didn't know you could see Jupiter and Saturn on the moon.
Wait, let me get
No,
let me
right?
pull up camera.
I never knew that Xia can survive without any oxygen. And
Shao
how come everything's frozen? Like everything's frozen.
Armstrong.
And everything's frozen. That's so fake. Yeah, it's just a visual background. I found a picture.
That made me mad, guys.
Oh my
No,
god.
I found a picture of that online. Sorry.
Do you know who Shao Armstrong is?
Neil Armstrong.
Me, Mario.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Strong.
come
Not
everything's
Neil Armstrong
frozen?
this time.
How come we see a light blue current? Like, you know. Wait, I'm gonna wait a second. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna.
What are we doing?
Yeah, what on earth are we?
Okay.
Well, we were going to do college bowl, but
Oh,
then
let's do like 1 minute of college
Okay,
ball.
see this is
when
Shaw.
you
As you can see, this thing it's frozen.
Wait, what?
It's okay. We only have 1 minute of class left. It's fine. You don't need to.
So-
Gavin, your shirt.
What? What's
Your
wrong
shirt-
with this?
It's space. Okay.
No, my whale is space. And I can change it.
Okay. Well, class is over, guys. I hope you
Oh.
know. Okay.
From last
Oh,
class.
wait.
You're too.
Okay. Class is over. I hope you guys had fun.
I
Um,
did have fun.
Oh, wow.
Angry.
Nice
Potato.
talking to you.
No,
That
and let me
potato
rotate it 90
is
degrees.
angry.
No, let me show you rotated 90 degrees.
Yeah, you can do
OMG,
that.
I'm a potato,
No,
but
you
I'm
can do
still
that.
cute.
You can do that. Wait.
Wait, what?
No, you can always rotate 90 degrees. If you do
Okay, that's
this,
why it was the
let me
me.
apply to my weight. I'm gonna turn my camera.
Let me get this out of the way.
What? Are you serious?
Okay,
Guys.
guys,
Serious.
guys.
Yeah, it looks like
Class
this.
is over. Oh my god.
It looks like this. You can do it.
Oh my god.
Andrew, is that your sister?
Yeah, Emily.
What's your sister's name?
Didn't I already say Emily? Emily.
Okay.
Guys, it's me, D-Mel.
No. How can you make your face? Like, if I have
Okay.
a green virtual background, like
Guys,
if I have a green virtual background, then it looks
class is
No,
over.
Dimon, no. Go
Class
to
is
virtual
over.
background.
Wait.
Yay.
Click
Whoa,
the
wait.
square.
Let
No,
me
no,
make
no,
something
no.
that's kind of funny.
Bye.
Yeah,
No,
click
let me
the
make
side.
something kind of funny.
Wait,
No.
I
Okay,
can see your hair. How can I see your hair?
guys. Class is over. Okay. I'm gonna send you guys the homework. I'll see you guys next week. Okay. Bye.
Bye, Danny Burrito.
No. no. Hi, Gavin.
Fine.
This is the burrito.
I'm a burrito.
Yes, you are.